Alright, so in this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can jailbreak your PlayStation 4 in less than 10 minutes in 2024. So as you can see right now, the PlayStation 4 I have right now is completely jailbroken. I've got debug settings, I've got all of the jailbreak PlayStation options, and a lot of people asked, why do you need to jailbreak your PlayStation? So the short answer is to get the games for free, to download the games directly into the PlayStation, and just like that. And with the jailbroken PlayStation 4 or any jailbroken console, you get so many options, you get cheat menus, you get a lot of things, to be honest. And I'm gonna be showing you how you can jailbreak your PlayStation 4 easily in minutes. And it doesn't really matter if you're a beginner, you can still do it. It's not a rocket science to jailbreak the PlayStation 4, and you can jailbreak any PlayStation 4, PS4 Pro, PS4 Slim, PS4 Fat. Doesn't really matter what PlayStation you have, you can jailbreak. And also, if you're a beginner, do not worry about it. I will explain every single thing in this video and you will be able to jailbreak your PlayStation just like that. So without further ado, let's get right into it. And also guys, subscribe. So anyway, there are a few things that you need to know before you jailbreak your PlayStation. So as you can see, currently my PS4 is not jailbroken. It's a normal PlayStation, no jailbreak whatsoever. So you need to check few things. So first, you're gonna have to go to your system settings, go to system information, and make sure your system software is on 9.00. If you're lower than 9.00, I will give you a update profile, update file to update it to 9.00. And if you're on 9.00, that is pretty good. You can do it. And second thing is, make sure your automatic downloads are turned off. And important one is this one, system software update files, make sure it is not enabled. Just turn off all of the automatic downloads. And now the third thing you need to know is you need to have the internet. So make sure you are connected to the internet. Again, make sure you're on 9.00 update. If you're lower than 9.00, update it to 9.00. And make sure you have internet, and make sure all of the automatic downloads are turned off. Once you have checked these settings, you are good to go. And now you need to have a USB drive connected to your PC. So once you connect a USB drive into your PC, you need to have these three files into your PC, not in the USB but in your PC. Okay, the first one is this right here, exFAT hex pico. You need to have this file right here. This is the most important one. And the second file is PS4 update 9.00. if you're lower version, if you're on, let's say 8.0, you have to update it to 9.0. And the third thing is Rufus. This is a software that we're going to be needing to make a USB stick for the PlayStation. So once you have these three files, actually two are important if you're on 9.00. If you're not on 9.00, you need to have that update file. So connect the USB into your PC and then start this software called Rufus. And once you start the software Rufus, select your USB drive. Make sure you have selected the right one, the one you connected, and then you're gonna have to choose this file exFAT hex pico. You're gonna have to choose that file and then click on start. So basically, Rufus will flash that file into USB, and it'll take few seconds, just like this. Once you have done that, close it. And now what you need to do is you're gonna have to take the USB drive out of your PC. I'll just show you exactly. So take the USB out and put it aside. You don't have to plug this into your PlayStation 4 yet. Simply put it aside. And I know my PS4 is dirty. I took it out of the closet just to make the video. I'll clean it later. So once you have the USB ready, once you put it aside, now it is time for the PlayStation. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and check again to tell you the important things. Make sure you're on system software version 9.00. Make sure your automatic downloads are disabled, and make sure you are connected to the internet. So now what you need to do is you're gonna have to go to the internet browser, and then you're gonna have to go to settings. Close all the windows that you have. Okay, so close all the windows, go to settings, and now you're gonna have to delete all the cookies of the browser and clear website data. This is important. And once you have done that, you're gonna have to restart the browser. Go back all the way to the menu and then restart the browser. And now once you restart the browser, you're gonna have to go to this exact link I'm gonna show you. So it's http:// I mean the two dots slash slash Cairo 218.ir slash 900 slash index HTML, doesn't matter. So you're gonna have to put the exact link into your PlayStation browser, not on the search but onto the link space, the one on the left side. So it should be this one right here. And once the page cache is done, it'll say reopen the page. You don't have to reopen it. Simply click on Gold HEN v2, Gold HEN v2.24. Click on that. This will take few seconds. It will say loading, please wait. Just wait. And then you will get a pop-up. I'm going to show you exactly what pop-up menu you're going to get. Remember, this link is important. You're going to have to go to this website, cairo218.ir slash 900. And now once you get this on your PlayStation, now you're going to have to plug in the USB drive into your PlayStation. I'll show you. As you can see, I've got this pop-up, insert USB drive, and click OK after you see the pop-up notification. So once you put the USB drive into your PlayStation, make sure you connect it to the USB port that is close to the Blu-ray drive. All right, that is important. And now once you plug in, you will get a pop-up that says device is not supported. Once it says device system is unsupported, this pop-up menu, you will have to click on OK. And then it'll say jailbreak is done. Now please remove the USB drive. So you're gonna have to remove the USB drive. And then you're gonna have to click OK again, just like this. And now once you go back, you will see a pop-up says Gold HEN 2.24 loaded. And now your jailbreak is done. You can see these menus you will get. And like I said, once you have jailbroken your PlayStation 4, and you guys see how easy it was. And there's another important step that I have to tell you, because if you guys jailbreak your PS4, do not mess it up. And by the way, this will work with all of the consoles, PS4, PS4 Slim, PS4 Pro. So as you can see, all of these settings. So anyway, the main thing is you're gonna have to disconnect your internet after you jailbreak your PlayStation. So make sure you do that. And as you can see, all of these games I have already side-loaded onto my PS4 hard drive. So what you can do is you can download the game from the internet, put it into an external hard drive, and then install it onto your PlayStation. And typically those game files are gonna be PKG files, so that is important. So yeah, this is how you can jailbreak PlayStation 4 within just minutes in 2024. And you guys see how easy it is to jailbreak a PlayStation 4 in 2024. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up and also subscribe, because I will be posting more jailbreaking methods in this channel. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.